TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on this 22nd day of June, and I'm the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour. Coming up straight after this Tiger Financial News Network noon update. I'm also the author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter, and I said to subscribers that based on the Friday very low trend reading, we should have a negative Dow early in the morning before it attempts to rally. But I forgot that the futures, there was this crazy thing that went on Friday after the market closed, and the futures were up huge. I couldn't understand why the Dow futures up almost 300 and the S&P futures were up 35 points, but it was because of that discrepancy. So yes, we did get the pullback, and now the Dow is up 32, 25,906. But you see this pattern here after this island reversal gap down, trying to fill the gap. It hasn't done that. Well, the pattern I always talk about here is this H pattern, lowercase h red, because if it takes out the left side low, that's very negative. So we're looking at this as a potential. It doesn't say it's going to happen, but it is starting to arch over. The two conflicting patterns. There's the declining cone formation with that resistance, and I'll just make it as clear as possible. If the Dow gets to 26,500, it's at 25,903 right now. Anytime this week, that's going to be really positive. But if it starts to slide and it gets down to 25,500, that's going to be this H pattern. So let's do the S&P. The S&P at this moment is also up. It's up a 5 at 3103. Also has this H pattern, made a peak E. The Dow made a peak D. In the daily chart, weekly charts are still looking good. And look at the QQQ. They're up 1.21 at 245.40. The real issue here is that they're within less than a point of the all-time high of the 8th of June at 247.82. They're holding very nicely. Apple comes out with something at 1 o'clock today. Let's see if Apple's going to be able to move the market. Apple is almost at an all-time high, within fractions of an all-time high at 356.20. Now, let's also look at the IWM, which is the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 has a much more definitive H pattern. It's down. It's actually now unchanged at 140.99. It needs to really get to the 142.50 area to show strength and must not break. Gold is having a really strong day today. It is up 18 at 70.71. Not the issue. The issue is that it broke this pattern, the falling axe pattern, and that is very good. I'll talk a little bit more about it when we get back. And the dollar is digesting gains from last week. It is down 51 ticks at 97.11. Basil Chapman, be right back for the Tiger Technicians Hour coming up straight after this commercial. See you in a few minutes, I hope. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.